Lesson 6. Yep, I guess I should open up my textbook so I know what I'm teaching. Lesson 6. Factors. Come on. New book is hard to open. All right, lesson 6, factors. Perfect. Lesson 6, factors. Okay, so factors, one of our new concepts. So the factors of a number are the whole numbers that divide the number without a remainder. So what does that mean? So let's look at a couple of those examples. So 10 divided by 1. What is our factor there? Our factor, and I'll highlight it, it's that 1. Our 1 is the factor there. Okay, I'll give you a couple other examples of identifying what a factor is. So 10 divided by 2. Then what's going to be my factor? 5. Yep. My factor, wait, what did you say? Did you say 5? That'll be my answer, but what's the factor? William or Aries? Yeah, 2. Yep, my factor is the number I am dividing it by. It's also called the divisor, yeah. Yep. I see why, I understand why you said that. I'm going to give one more example here. We're going to take 4,001 divided by 64. So Bethy, what is my factor in this example? This 4,001 divided by 64, what is my factor? 64, yep. So I'm just identifying and picking out what my factor is. So those, I'm not solving the answers. I'm just saying these 3 guys, they are a factor. I'm gonna get there. I'll ask you for that one, Oasis. I can't grow that good of a beard. All right, so that's page 33, talking about factors. Okay, on to page 34. So example 1. Example 1. Are you stretching there, Caleb, or do you have a question? Stretching, okay, just making sure. Okay, example number 1. So list the whole numbers that are factors of 12. So what are my factors of 12? So all the things that multiply to equal 12. So what do I have, Caleb? What are all my numbers?
1, 2, 3.
Yep, 4. You're okay. It's been a while, yeah.
6.
6. And then 12, yeah. Nope. So what Caleb just did here is he took 1 and 12 because 1 times 12 equals 12. So that means both 1 and 12 are factors of 12. And then for 2 and 6, he took 2 times 6, and that equals 12. So 2 and 6 are my factors.
I do it the easier way.
Yeah, what'd you do?
I just think about it. If 2 could go in, if 2 could equally go into 12, it's a factor.
Exactly. Yep.
It's so much easier.
Yep.
Like,
for some people that is easier, and I will show that. Yep, this is another way to check your answer. So 3 and 4, that's just 3 times 4 equals 12. Yeah, that's good that you guys are able to do that in your head. I like that. Exactly, yeah. It's good you guys caught that. All right. Factors. That's factors. Aries, you have your hand up? Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, example 2. List the factors of 51. Sweet. So all the factors. You're listing all the factors of 51. And there's not going to be many because 51 is kind of, first off, it's an odd number, so there won't be all the even numbers. So I'll start dividing things by 51. And it's going to be more, I won't have to divide any of the even numbers because an even number doesn't go into an odd number. So Oasis, what do I have? 1 and 51. Because 1, what else do I have? I think you're right. So 3 goes into 5 one time. This is going to give me my other factor. 2, bring down my 1. 3 goes into 21 how many times? Yeah, 7. So 3 and 17 are my other factors. So all my factors, I listed them out of order, but those are going to be my factors. I have 1, 51, 3, and 17. Yeah, William? So we won't do decimals. It only said it wants whole numbers. I know. Only whole numbers, or else you would be right. Okay, any questions with those more challenging ones? I love it. I'm good at Spanish like that too. No, I'm terrible at it. I like it though. My wife is a quarter Hispanic, so my daughter will be an 1/8 Hispanic. Yep, her grandma is full Hispanic, so we get to have a lot of really good Mexican dishes whenever we go to her house. Okay, example number 3. Example number 3. Find the greatest common factor of 18 and 30. So we're finding the GCF, greatest common factor of 18 and 30. 18 and 30. So what am I going to do? How would I find the greatest common factor? Aries? Yep, I would list all my factors of 18, and then I would list all my factors of 50, or no, 30. So I'd list all those. So first I would have 1 times 18, so I'm going to list 1 and 18. 2 goes into 18 9 times, so 2 and 9. Is there anything else that goes into 18? Yeah, Abby? Yep, 3 times what? Yeah, 3 and 6. Is there anything else? Yeah, I'll get to that in just a sec. And that'll be it for that one. Then I have for 30. Caleb, what are some of my factors of 30?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, not, wait, it's 4. Yeah, no, not 4.
5.
Yep, 5 times 6. Yep, 5 times 6. And then from there, so it'd be 3 and 10. And then 2 times 15. Yep, and then 30. So my greatest common factor is the biggest number that is in common. So it's going to be 6. Those are the biggest numbers that are in common. 6 and 6. All right, so my greatest common factor equals 6.
Wait,
Is it?
is it? No.
Okay, so that is all I have for you guys for that. So you guys can actually get packed up.